Hey, I'm late for my period and my stomach really hurts right now.
I'm also late for a while now. How about I consult our condition to doctor online?
Sure, let's do it now. But actually, I've never missed a period before, and the stomach pain is really worrying me right now.
Yeah, it's definitely better to get professional advice. I'll look up an online doctor setup first.
Okay, let me know when you find one because I'm getting a bit anxious right now.
One, it's highly rated and has good reviews. I'm going to set up a consultation.
Okay, great. Thank you actually, because hopefully we can get some answers and feel better soon.
Okay, I hope so.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Afternoon, doc. Me and my friend has been late for our periods for a while, and my stomach feels very painful. I feel something unusual with my menstrual cycle. Could you help us?
Okay, I understand your concern. Irregular periods or pain can be caused by many factors, including stress, hormonal imbalance, changes in diet, or underlying health conditions. To get a better understanding of what is going on, I recommend you to use a mobile application to track your menstrual cycles, which can help you monitor your periods and provide informative articles about menstrual health. This can give you better insight and help identify any patterns. And remember that it is still necessary to conduct some tests to rule out any underlying conditions. Do you get it?
I get it, bro. And alright, I will look for a good app to track my menstrual cycle. And thank you very much for the information, doc.
You're welcome.
Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Excited President Blossom, and here's 241-PS379. Next. And this is our team, Pinang Faris from Mobile Development, Mitara and Ali from Cloud Computing, Dodi, Hilda, and I from Machine Learning. Next. Today we will discuss the problem can we solve with Blossom, how it addresses it, our deployment plan, new features, and why it's worth using or investing in. Many women struggle to manage their cycles and a busy life, impacting their activities, with 75% finding it hard to track cycle accurately, which is crucial for reproductive health. Our survey of over 50 people showed that nearly 74% don't use a tracking app, and those who do mostly use a calendar. But why they use calendar? The main reason is discomfort with apps predicting health issues like PCOS, and their cycle doesn't match the app's prediction. And this is our solution: Blossom, life in harmony with your health and fertility.
So, Blossom app is an innovative application designed to predict menstrual cycle and scheduling pregnancy program for women using deep learning-based duration of cycle. Next. And the target market, the first one is demographic. Women and pregnant women can check their cycles regularly. The second one is behavior. Women who have a menstrual cycle without PCOS and need monthly health monitoring, and pregnant women who are actively scheduling and following pregnancy monitoring with a doctor. And the third one is psychographic. Women who care about reproductive health and want to take care of their menstrual well-being, and a pregnant woman who cares about her pregnancy health and wants to ensure optimal childbirth preparation. And the last one is geographic. All women with better access to digital technology. And certainly there are many competitors similar to our Blossom app like Clue and Flow, which you may have heard of or used. Based on the research from using Clue and Flow, our main focus is on the features these apps like. Neither Clue nor Flow over a doctor consultation feature and monitoring pregnancy features are paid options. And how it works by machine learning, cloud computing, and mobile development.
In our machine learning development, we use Google Colab as a tool, Python as the programming language, and TensorFlow as the library. In developing a machine learning model, we use an LSTM model. The developed LSTM model has shown potential in accurately predicting menstrual and ovulation cycle. The use of this model is expected to provide benefit for many women in planning their reproductive health. We use menstrual cycle data that include four main features: the first, duration of the previous cycle, duration of the previous menstrual period, interval between previous cycle, and the last, after training, our model can provide prediction regarding the next menstrual cycle and ovulation day. An example prediction can be illustrated as follows: the ovulation date that is estimated to fall on day, month, year. After successfully developing the machine learning model, we then converted it using FastAV to create an endpoint for deployment to cloud computing service.
In cloud computing services, we use Google Cloud Platform, which is a suite of cloud computing services that provides computing, data storage, data analysis, and machine learning, as well as a series of management tools. After obtaining the machine learning model using TensorFlow, cloud computing is implemented with Google Cloud Platform to set up the machine learning endpoint and obtain the IP address.
So every website or application that goes online must use hosting so that the application can be used. As explained earlier, we use Google Cloud Platform to host our application. Here we use VM instance and VPC network. Virtual machine or VM instance on Google Cloud Platform allows users to run application and services as if they were using a physical server, but with the flexibility and scalability offered by the cloud environment. VPC or Virtual Private Cloud Network on Google Cloud Platform is a virtual network that provides an isolated and fully controlled network infrastructure in the cloud environment.
So we use Firebase as a place for the Blossom database. Firebase is a back-end as a service offered by Google that is able to manage everything related to database, authentication, hosting API, and the like.
We implement Fast API and access the machine learning model through retrofit. They will make an HTTP POST request to the endpoint. The predict request data class is used when sending prediction request data to the server, with the property start date and cycle length. And the predict response data class is used when receiving the prediction result from the server with the property message and data as an output result of the prediction. This repository is used to manage communication from Fast API using retrofit, and the get prediction method accepts a predict request as a parameter, then sends the data to API and returns the prediction result as a predict response.
Blossom welcomes hospital and doctor partnership. Instead, doctor can register on the website with their name and email, then receive a verification code and login instruction for the doctor portal. And there is the demo of the application Blossom.
Open the download app, then register or login if you already have an account. Choose your mode, enter the date of your last period to track your menstrual cycle, and you can explore other features available on Blossom.
The effect of the Blossom application itself is that apart from having a menstrual cycle date detection feature, the Blossom application also has a feature for register consultation with doctors and checking consultation schedule. To introduce the Blossom app, we start with target marketing to reach a wide audience. We focus on educational institutions, promoting thought, seminar, and collaboration on fertility education. Next, we target a broader female demographic by partnering with gynecologists and hospitals. As our brand goes, we aim to establish partnership with healthcare professionals and secure investment. For our next plans for development, we list application to the Google Play Store. And then we want to add new feature for our app, then collaborate with hospital or doctor partners.
Blossom has several features, including
Tracking your menstrual cycle dates.
Doctor consultation.
And health articles.
download
Now on
Play Store.